Turn a blog post into a professional document with Gamma, the visual storytelling platform to create documents, presentations, web pages, and social media content with AI. Start by creating a free account and click on Create New with AI. Click on Import File or URL. Import from URL and paste the link of the blog. Then select Document as the format and click Continue. Customization. Gamma extracts all the content and builds a clean slide structure. Let AI automatically distribute the content on each slide, or choose card by card to manually assign specific text to each section. You can preserve it as it is, make it more concise, or let AI add more details to your document. Gamma enhances your document with stunning AI visuals, but you can also upload your own or source them from the web. Themes. In Gamma, you don't have to worry about design. Just choose one of the many professional themes, or customize your own with your brand's colors, fonts, design, and logo. Check out our dedicated tutorial to learn how. Then click Generate to bring your document to life in seconds. Editing. Use the Insert menu or the / command to add components like text layouts, charts, diagrams, and interactive elements. You can also use Gamma's AI agent to make changes fast by just typing what you want. Check out our AI editing tutorial to learn more. Click on the Share button to share your document with the world via a link, export in the most popular formats, or even publish it directly to your LinkedIn. You can also pick specific sections to export, giving you precise control over what you share. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas into the universe. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and tips.